We all know that hydration is important for your skin, but does drinking water actually help your skin glow? Ladies and gentlemen, in the next couple of minutes, we're going to find out whether drinking water actually helps your skin. Yo, before we continue with the video, we realize that most of you are not subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel so that it tells the YouTube algorithm that our channel really helps people for their skin issues. And then we can then help more people. So please click the subscribe button today. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skyfyx, the platform whereby we help educate you on all your skin issues and debunk certain skin myths. We've often noticed whenever we ask a celebrity what is your tip to a glowing skin, and the number one thing they always mention is drinking water. So for today's video, we're going to dive deep down inside to see drinking water really, does it actually help your skin glow, or is it just a myth? Now before we start, let's talk about water and why is it important for survival. Our body consists of more than 60% of water. That means without water, we will be dead. That means the lower percentage of water you have in your skin, the drier your skin will become. And what's more important, our blood consists of 99% water. So water is definitely important for survival. Water also helps with metabolism. Metabolism means that it helps create energy, and the energy is used for survival. So now that we know water is important for survival, how important is water to get a glowing skin? Now we've heard of the age-old saying that water flushes out toxin whenever you drink it. But does water actually flush out toxins? Well, first of all, it is important to know that your kidneys actually remove dangerous toxins from your body. So the more water you drink, the more often you go to the toilet, and the quicker certain chemicals come out of your body, including urea, which is detrimental for your health if it stays in your body for long periods of time. However, does drinking water actually give your skin a nice glow? Now first of all, let's talk about a glowing skin and how you actually achieve it. A glowing skin occurs when you have the right balance between enough sebum, which is the skin's natural oil, with sufficient hydration. When you have an imbalance between this particular equation, you either get extremely oily skin, very dull and dry skin, or even sensitive skin. So to fight a dehydrated skin, most people tend to slap on a lot of skincare. Skincare which hydrates, skincare which creates a barrier to prevent water loss from your skin, or even serums. And sometimes an overuse of all these products does cause your skin to have more breakouts or even more sensitive. So one of the best ways to hydrate your skin is from internally. That means you need to consume enough water. Now let's talk about water in the fight against acne. Does drinking water actually reduce the amount of acne problems? As we know, acne is due to an imbalance of too much sebum and an overgrowth of bacteria. There are many factors that causes this particular imbalance, and one of them is your diet. If you take too much high calorie or very sweet food, you're gonna get more acne. So what the water does, it doesn't actually flush out the calories or flush out the excess sugar from your body, but by drinking more water, you can actually suppress your appetite and reduce the cravings for sweet food. So indirectly, drinking more water does help reduce the amount of acne on your skin. Does drinking water actually help dehydrated or dry skin? Dehydrated or dry skin is generally caused by transepidermal water loss. Means, in simple terms, it just means that water evaporates much more easily from your skin. So the best way to actually replace the amount of water lost through your skin is by drinking more water every day. Now the next question will come out is, how much water should I drink? If you go online and find, generally they would suggest between 2.5 liters of water to 4 liters of water, and that is generally between 8 to 10 cups of water per day. However, you can consume water in many ways. It doesn't have to be clear H2O. Water can come from any sources, whether it's just pure water, can come from your fruits, your vegetables, your food, or even other drinks as well. But when you take in more water through other means, it means that you run the risk of consuming more calories or increasing the amount of glucose in your body, which then can trigger more skin problems. The amount of water consumed also depends on a few other factors. 1. Your physical activity. If you tend to sweat more, it means that you need to consume more water because you're losing water through sweat. If you're in a hot or humid environment like in certain parts of Southeast Asia, you need to consume more water because there is more water loss through your skin. If you're in very cold, dry climates or even perpetually in an air-conditioned room, you also need more water as you're losing more water through your skin. So the main indicator to know whether you have drank enough water or not is when you go and take a piss in the toilet, you realize that your pee is not dark yellow but light yellow in color. And of course, there are some people wondering, what if you consume too much water? If you are healthy and your kidneys work just fine, whatever excess water you consume will be eliminated through your urination. But of course, if you have some kidney problems, you might get water retention. And if you do get water retention, generally it comes up as swelling and your lower limbs, puffiness of the face, and if you have those symptoms, it's time to go see your doctor. So does drinking water actually give you a nice glow to your skin? Well, it is definitely one of the main steps to create a glowing skin. Because if you do not consume enough water but spend a lot on skincare, you're not going to get great results. So the number one step to get glowing skin is to get enough water into your body. And of course, number 2, have a good skincare routine. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below, how many cups of water do you guys drink per day? If you like this video and really think it really helps you in getting nice glowing skin, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell button. Please like the videos and comment below, and at the same time, please forward this video to the rest of your friends. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and remember to always stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.